Are you thinking to build a WordPress website? But before getting your site live, you wanted to practice or test WordPress. Here is how you can install WordPress locally in your computer and build your own website. Firstly, we need to download a software called Bitnami WordPress, which will allow us to run WordPress on our computer. To download, go to the link in the description or just type Bitnami WordPress in browser. Then click here, click on download for Windows if you are on Windows, then click on this link. Let it download. Now let's open it to install. Click OK. Keep clicking next until you reach here. Okay, here you need to enter your name. Give your email address. Then username and password. Remember username and password you provided. This will need to log in your local WordPress site. Again, keep clicking next. And WordPress will install. Click on finish. And this will take you to this page. Now we just need to access our site. So let's click on it. And now we can see our WordPress website is running in our PC. If you want to log in your website, just add /wp login and it will take you to this login page. Enter your username and password that you created before. Once you have logged in, you can start building your website. You can access your site anytime by going to localhost/WordPress. To log in, just add WP login. So this is how you can install WordPress locally in your PC and start building a WordPress site. Thank you.